Hello everyone and welcome to Real Time with IPC Apex Expo 2018 here in San Diego, California. I'm Asteelflash Americas and joining me today is Mathieu Kury, Business Development Manager of Asteelflash, an EMS company. Matthew, thank you very much for joining us
Thank
today.
you. Thank you.
All right, so first Matthew, can you please tell us more about Asteelflash?
Yeah, so Asteelflash is one of the world leaders in EMS services, so electronic manufacturing services. So we specialize from PCB assembly, PCBA, to box build and finished product assembly,
Okay.
as well as fulfillment solutions for our customers.
Can you tell us some of your markets?
So in terms of markets, we serve a lot of industrial applications, but also automotive, IoT connected devices, as well as smart and green technologies.
So what do you think, what's driving growth for you?
So in terms of driving forces over the last, I would say, over the last year and maybe the last 2 years, we've seen a lot more of connected devices, right?
Connected devices.
Everything smart, everything for the smart home environment, but also for the smart building environment. So all of these mega trends have been impacting us in terms of revenue. We see a lot more projects coming up from these verticals. And I would say also in the automotive segment, we see a lot more of electronics in any car, right? In any car we would use, and also with the autonomous vehicles, right? So we kind of specialize into these verticals because they bring a lot of value first for the group, Asteelflash, but we've developed a lot of expertise over the years and through our automotive certified footprint facilities that we have in Germany, in Fremont, California, here in the US, as well as Tijuana, Mexico, and Suzhou, China.
All right. So Matthew, what are the industry challenges right now from your perspective?
So in terms of challenges, I have two that come to mind, right? The first one is we're seeing a lot of new companies coming up with new products, but also large corporations coming up either with new generation of their existing ones, but with limited design resources. So there is a challenge for us because it's no longer just taking this product and build it. It's really to provide sort of an additional service around the design of the product. So we've integrated that into our process, and we have in-house design centers that we can help with any customer, from a startup to a large corporations, into defining the right manufacturing process, selecting the right components, doing your DFM analysis for your boards, the right testing strategy, both on the electrical side but also on the functional side. So this is really what we're trying to set up for our customers. And I would say the second challenge, which is a challenge for really everyone in the industry, is the volatility of the market in terms of components. So we have to deal with longer lead times, even on very standard, I would say, or common resistors, right? And you don't want a resistor to prevent one project from happening smoothly. So what we've set up is through our global supply chain platform, we support our customers with intelligence on the market, but we also have, I would say, smart supply chain solutions that would serve the customer's interest, right? Setting up buffer stocks on a specific commodity, identifying alternate parts either at the design stage or right before mass production. So we are putting all the chances on our side to succeed, right? So this is the type of service we're trying to put forward.
Right. Matthew, so the industry has been quite on an uptrend recently. So what's new at Asteelflash? Do you have any expansion plans or?
So we're actually growing a lot. So in addition to our global expansion, we have our Suzhou facility in China that we're expanding in terms of space to gather more projects, as well as our Tunisia facility in North Africa serving our European customers. We see a lot of growth here in the US. So our East Coast facility in Raleigh is actually booming with a new project that we're supporting. And we're also announcing investment in our Tijuana facility where we're going to add 2 additional SMT lines. So not only from a PCBA perspective, but also from a full product assembly perspective, we have a lot of growth that we're supporting by investing a little more into our facilities here in the US.
Exactly, that's great. What's your outlook for this year?
So for this year, I think we'll still grow. I still see a lot of smart things or smart products, if you will. Lots of startups initially brought that notion of connectivity and connecting things to each other.
Yeah.
We see a lot of historical customers and large corporations also making their existing products connected, right? And
Yes.
compatible with the ecosystem. So
Right.
this is a trend that we'll still see this year, I believe. And also specifically to the automotive segment,
Right.
the autonomous vehicles and self-driving cars is really going to drive the industry into having the infrastructure around it too. So any V2X modules for vehicle to X or vehicle to grid communication and all the smart and green technologies that is around it for energy.
Yes.
This is something that we're already serving right now. So we expect it to be one of the driving force for our revenue to grow this year.
All right. Great, Matthew. Thank you very much. Do you have any final comments?
So final comments, I would say, in addition to everything we're already putting forward here at Asteelflash, we also are implementing our smart factory programs as well as artificial intelligence, not only on our production floors, but also on the way we deal with our customers on the quotation side, on having materials pipelined and delivered to our facility for our customers' benefit. So we're bringing a lot of that into our day-to-day processes for our customers, and this is something you'll soon hear about in our press releases or announcements.
All right, great.
All
Thank
right.
you very much,
Thank
Matthew.
you.
Thank you very
Appreciate
much
it.
for joining us today.
Thank you.
That's Mathieu Kury, Business Development Manager at Asteelflash, and I'm Stephen Las Marias. Thank you very much for watching.